What's going on, everyone? This is Irvin here. Welcome to our breaking news forex trading for this week, guys. This is our forex trading for this week. It's going to be on fire, guys. I'm gonna be giving you guys Euro USD, USD JPY. I'm gonna be including gold. I'm gonna be including GBP USD. I'm gonna be including GBP JPY. But stay tuned to the GBP, guys. As everybody knows, guys, Europe is not secure to be trading, so hopefully everybody's watching the news. Also pay attention what is going on with the iOS on, downloading MT4 MT5. It's a lot of news that is going on, guys. What is gonna happen, who knows? But also we have leak on oil that is happening. One country is blaming another and so on, so there's a lot of arguments. So same thing what happens back in 2015 when we had that leak in California. So stay tuned, guys. But this is a very this forex trading here is very intensive. Hopefully everything will make sense. So we're gonna go ahead start, guys, with the first pair of the week, and that is going to be GBP USD. Let's go! Guys, pay close attention what I'm gonna say, guys. If all those traders that trade with Apple, that's what I don't like to trade with Apple, guys. It is very complicated sometimes, but hey, it seems like MT4 MT5 is banned for now, but I'm pretty sure it will come back. So it's something going on, guys. It's like I said earlier, some people are doing a lot of they're lying, basically saying that it's Russia, that Russia is saying, okay, you are sanctioning us because of this or that, then you can do that. So they're blaming each other. Some of the people are saying that it's the Congress, some others saying it's a lot of opinions in there. So that's what I didn't want to get involved creating a video. But let me give you this week, guys. This week this forex trading, guys, is gonna be for the very first week of our October, and that it is for October 2nd to the 7th. So this is for October 2nd to the 7th. So here's your GBP USD, guys. What I'm seeing here, guys, on GBP USD is the following. Always pay attention what the 4 hours and daily is doing, guys. It is very important to stay on it. Let me go ahead and highlight it. Look at here, 4 hours and daily are contradicting each other. So what's the meaning of that? What is going on when 4 hours and daily contradict? That means the market is doing a pullback. So therefore, multiple time frame is letting us know here, hey, we are in a sell position. TW is saying that we are in a sell. Look at the multiple time frame arrow confirming. But what's going on here? Look at here, we have multiple time frame going against the original trend. So that means the market here, it is doing a pullback. So pullback still valid. In my opinion, pullback still gonna be pushing to our 50 Fibonacci level once again. From our Fibonacci level, we're looking for a multiple time frame to firm right on this area here, and then we are going to be on fire. Then we're gonna go with the trend, looking for a sell position between our 38 to our 26. Then the market will do a small retracement. So market has a potential, to be honest, to give us another 390 blue pips, guys. That could be $39,000. That could be $39. But there is money to be made on the market. So let's work hard, let's dream big, let's never give up, guys. Whatever is happening with the MT4 and MT5, don't give up, keep learning. Do not buy signal. Stop wasting your money on signal, guys. If you are paying money to learn for someone else to give you their idea, you are doing this business wrong. Learn how to trade. That's what I always tell everyone, guys. Remember, you are defined by what you know, not what someone else knows. So you need to stay on it. All right, let me give you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you, it is gold. Gold is very sexy. So last week I told everybody the gold was still selling. Look at the dashboard, guys. Everything is telling us that we are selling, except the 4 hours is saying Irvin. We are selling, but 4 hours is doing something else. So we should be like what? We should be like doing like what? I'm telling you, we should go crazy. So why is one time frame going against the other one? That is, the pullback is active at this present time. Look at what the multiple time frame is doing here. It's telling us that we are on a sell position, on a buy position. I'm sorry about that. There, so bullish are okay at this time. So market is going up. So in my opinion, market is gonna come back once again, retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. From there, market will continue selling, retesting this previous multiple time frame, our 23.6 Fibonacci level, and then we are gonna continue on that buy position. So the month of October, what we're looking for here, guys, this is the very first week of October, October 2nd to the 7th, right? So we're looking for our TWE sniper entry to form right on this area, and boom, we are gonna be going where? We are gonna go buy, guys. So gold is getting ready for a buy position, but the SEC is not there yet. Whatever it is doing right now is just a pullback. So guys, please, don't trade GBP if you cannot. Everybody should be should be reading the news, guys. There's a gas pipeline supplies in Europe, so everything is going crazy. So everybody know the sea is leaking, guys. And what are we gonna do? So stay away from GBP if you don't know how to trade it. It's very intensive anyway. Europe is not it's not secure at this time. That's what I think. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next pair, guys. One quick reminder to everyone, guys, do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, do not trade it. Don't waste your money on Signal. Start wasting your money on Signal, guys. If you are paying money for Signal, ask them, hey, can you let me know what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday? If they cannot do that, you need to walk away. I always say, guys, and you guys need to be aware of that. All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, it is GBP JPY. Boom! Look at what's going on here, guys. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard, guys, the market is going crazy, guys. Month of October is gonna be blowing a lot of people's account, guys. A lot of people are going crazy. Not even the time frames are going on their favor. So I'm asking you a favor, guys. Do not trade pullbacks if you don't know how to trade. Look for entries that make sense to your knowledge. Remember, knowledge is power, guys. Being disciplined on this market will make you very, very successful, but you must trade with rule. Look at what multiple time frame is doing here with our TW sniper entry, saying that we are in a sell position. Look at the huge drop in there, boom. And then this pullback, this buy position that you're seeing here, that you are seeing here on the 4 hours, look at here, boom, it came almost to the top, to the beginning of that. So market is going crazy. This is my opinion on GBP JPY, guys. All we know, market still selling. So this is what I have to tell you this week. The GBP JPY will continue that sell position, but will come to our 50 Fibonacci level. Why this level? Multiple time frame has been well respected in the past on this area here. So this is what I'm seeing here. Market will come to that level, then we'll do a small retracement, and then we're gonna continue on that sell. But overall, what I'm seeing here on GBP JPY is the market, it is selling. Guys, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, make sure you do it. It's free anyway. Support the channel by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this video with your other fellow traders around the world. Everybody needs to be aware of what's going on the market. So you know, a lot of people are making up a lot of stuff. I don't know, nobody knows in a specific what's going on, but hey, stay away from signals, okay? Stop wasting your money on signal. Learn how to then trade the market. All right guys, let me give you the next pair, one of the most tradable pair in the world.
Oh yeah!
And that it is Euro USD. Boom! Look at what Euro USD, guys. Not even the dollar is secure, guys. Look at what's going on here. Look. 1 hour is saying that we are selling. 4 hours is saying that we are in a buy position. The daily time frame, weekly and monthly is saying that we are selling. So what is going on with the market, guys? Please, guys, this week, the very first week of October, the market is insane, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Please be careful, protect your capital. Don't trade this week if you don't have to. Just learn, pay attention, analyze the market and say, you know what, this is what I'm planning to trade on this one, but I'm not gonna take it this week. Let me see what how the market is gonna perform this week. Learn. This is a great opportunity for you to learn how to trade the market. But look at here, look at what multiple time frame is doing with our TWE. It's saying here that we are selling. So Euro USD, that is true, it's selling at this time, right? But we are entering in a very new month, guys. This is a very new month. So what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame here is telling us that we are in a buy position. What I'm expecting to see this month of October, guys, I'm expecting to see the TWE sniper entry to fully forming here, but it's not there yet. So all I can see is the market is doing a pullback. So pullback still valid. It might come back once again to retest your 50 Fibonacci level, which is previous multiple time frame in here. Then from there, market is gonna do a small continuation of the sell. Remember, Euro USD is still selling. It's gonna come back to your 23.6. Then market will go up. By that time, hopefully that we got our TWE sniper entry, letting us know that we are going to the moon on a buy position. So guys, this, like I said, Europe is going crazy. It's not secure to trade the market, guys. If you don't know how to trade, I had to give you, you know, content so you can see. But you know, go ahead and put this video side by side with anyone else that you are paying signal, guys. If they're not giving you what I'm giving you, telling you reality, what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, yet you are wasting your time, your money, and you need to stop doing that. Learn how to trade, guys. Look, without struggle, success has no value, guys. Without struggle, success has no damn value on your life, guys. Push yourself, because no one is gonna do it, guys. Whoever you are paying signal is not gonna push for you. Trust me, it's not. They're gonna ignore your question. Why? Because they want to keep wasting your money, guys. Stop. You need to listen to what I'm saying, or otherwise you will be blowing your account. Remember, this is a breaking news on our Forex trading for this week, guys. It's a lot of stuff going on. Please stay away from the market if you have to. I want to thank everybody, guys. Please, guys, let's pray for Ukraine. Everybody heard what happened on Friday. It's insane, guys. Let's pray for Ukraine. Let's pray for the world. Let's pray for your family, whatever part of the world they are in it. Let's pray for Florida. Let's pray for South Carolina as well. They all are suffering, so the world needs our prayers, guys. Let's put them into our prayer. I want to thank you. I want you to bless your family as well, and God bless you. God bless the beautiful nation, the United States of America, and I will see you guys back on our next video. Make sure everybody subscribe, okay? I love you guys, and remember, I will see you next time. Let's go.